Hey folks, and welcome back to another How to Make Money Online. And today I want to jump in and talk about what type of product do you select to promote. Now, for those of you that are floating around the high ticket space, I get the mathematics behind the logic of you only need to sell a few to get more. However, as a beginner, I'm going to go against the grain on that and suggest that you start with a low ticket offer. Now, I'm not suggesting that you continue your affiliate marketing career with low ticket offers. Merely, it's a mindset thing. A lot of people struggle with high ticket as beginners because they feel that they're not worthy. If you start with low ticket, you get to practice everything, all the techniques, and it's about that practice. It's about implementing a set of techniques that we've been through in the preceding videos that you can start to implement and practice with a low ticket offer, because it's going to build your confidence basically. And once you've got those few sales behind your belt, you start moving up the ladder, and then eventually within 2 to 3 months you can be quite easily selling high ticket products, because the technique does not change between low ticket and high ticket. The techniques and the tactics, the strategies are all the same, but the reason I'm suggesting you start with those lower ticket offers is it really does cement that mindset and grows your confidence in your abilities to be able to do this. So where do you go to promote offers? Now, JVZoo, Warrior Plus, and ClickBank are the ones that are commonly talked about. The only thing I'm going to caution you with is that with Warrior Plus and JVZoo, as a new affiliate marketer, you are going to struggle to get vendors, that's the seller of the product, to approve you as an affiliate because you have no track record. Now, this is really chicken and egg, and I feel for you on this particular one, but there is actually a product. It's a low ticket cost product, and if you want to reach out to me, I can send you the details. I'm not really interested in making money as an affiliate for this, but merely to say that with this $7 program, you can actually get up and running with a free autoresponder emailer out, and you get leads as well. They give you, I think it's 100 free emails, and you get automatically approved. Now, this is what you're paying really the $7 for, automatically approved to promote a product. And this product you can go and practice with for the next week, for the next month, until you get it right. So if you want that info, hit me up and I'll gladly give it to you.